A pilot's professional responsibilities extend substantially beyond the flight deck. For those transitioning into corporate aviation, it is essential to understand that a significant component of the role involves the management of the aircraft on the ground. The interval between flights is a critical period of coordination, communication, and meticulous oversight that ensures the safety, security, and readiness of the asset. Prior to the commencement of a flight, and then again upon the completion of a flight and the disembarkation of passengers, the pilot in command assumes the role of a ground operations manager. A primary consideration is the repositioning of the aircraft from the ramp to its designated hangar. The procedures for this movement are not standardized across the industry. In some larger, highly structured flight departments, a centralized dispatch office may coordinate all ground movements, ensuring the aircraft is positioned for departure prior to the crew's arrival. In other corporate and air charter flight operations, the captain holds primary responsibility for coordinating aircraft towing, acting as the liaison with the FBO. For these companies, this is by design. They believe that the flight crew is on site and best positioned to oversee the procedure, ensuring safety and adherence to company standards. Direct crew observation of ground movements is a core asset protection practice, rooted not in micromanagement, but in professional diligence and risk mitigation. Be sure to check with your chief pilot for the proper SOP. Hangar rash, defined as unintended contact between an aircraft and another object such as a building, vehicle, or another aircraft, remains one of the most frequent sources of insurance claims in aviation. To mitigate this risk during towing procedures, the following precautions should be strictly observed. Ensure adequate clearance before initiating movement. Verify that the area surrounding and above the aircraft is free of obstructions. Pay special attention to wingtips, tail sections, and vertical clearance zones. Wheel chocks must remain in place until the tow bar is securely attached, and all personnel are in position for coordinated movement. Confirm that gear pins are properly installed in accordance with towing requirements to prevent inadvertent gear retraction or damage. Assign wing walkers to monitor clearance on both sides of the aircraft throughout the towing process. Their role is critical in preventing contact and ensuring safe maneuvering. Once the aircraft has been moved to its parking spot, the crew can begin to prepare it for the upcoming flight. In the next video, we'll continue our discussion on ramp activities.